Hazur, he would like to know what is the best business with Ahmadi people can get involved in Europe and outside Europe, and which business they should avoid.
As far as the business which is allowed is concerned, there are so many possible trades where one is not involved in dealing of, for instance, pig's meat, etc., or wine, or anything which is based on usury, interest, etc. So all such businesses which have these elements must be avoided. The rest is just for you to do business and enjoy, and hopefully you also earn. But if you do not know how to go into trade, it's better to get out of it in the early stages, because that will keep you from being involved more and more and suffering from greater loss in the hope that you will be all right. I have seen Ahmadis who have lost everything they possessed in the hope that they will be all right. They simply don't accept the fact they don't know the art of business. Some people have it in their blood. Whatever they touch, they make gold. And this evening in Mulakat, a boy said that whenever I touch gold, it turns into dust. So people should realize it's better, not only better, it's must for them not to do business anymore. Either become a servant. If they don't have any service, they can drive taxis, and that is all the advice I can render, except one more. They can trade also in real estate business, where they can sell property on commission and buy property on commission. In that case, whether there is a crisis, an economic crisis in the country, still they will remain in business, because the sufferers will be those who at the time of crisis either sell or buy. But selling and buying does not stop. Only the danger is that when you are too ambitious and you have your own stakes, you buy property for yourself and the hope that you will sell it at a better prices. That is wrong. That should not be done. It's not forbidden, but it's unwise. So I think they should only go for real estate business in getting commissions from both parties. Whether they lost or lose or gain, it doesn't make any difference. And I have read the history of Jews very carefully, and in many ways they have benefited from this real estate business. And small people became extremely rich because of the real estate. That was perhaps also because they could cheat. But even if an Ahmadi does not teach, and he should not teach or cheat, I think there is plenty of money for him. And to that the Holy Quran refers as Baqiyatullah. In trade, God has provided for a small share of profit, which if you go into trade wisely, you will always get, inshallah. Right?